Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to review my new watch from our house of HMT. It's Hmt Avinash, a 17 jewel mechanical watch. I'm trying to focus it. I think there is some problem about focusing it. Now it's in focus, and this is my brand new Hmt Avinash from the house of HMT. And it has 17 jewel and parashock, and the serial number is I think you can see now 0398. I think it is for in the year of 1998 it was manufactured, and it's a mechanical watch. It doesn't require any battery. You have to just wind it manually, and it will run. It's a very good. It has very good build quality, and the chain strap is very nice. And I preferably like to wear this watch daily basis. This is my first HMT watch. I had previously HMT Chanakya. It was my uncle's. I will make a review of it later. HMT Chanakya. Thank you for watching.